No, nothing is nice.
Yeah, you ready to go camping for the night?
Yeah.
In the winter? We're gonna stay warm and survive?
Yeah.
We got this. High five. Yeah. Today we're off into the local woods. What's that, buddy?
I found a deer track.
A deer track? Ooh, I can see a deer.
In the woods.
And we're off. Got about a 3 or 4 kilometer hike to the camping spot before sunset.
Dad, not your phone. Right there. And the ugly donut. That fish over there. I'm gonna bring you a phone. I'm gonna bring you a phone. And not me.
So today, we're just out going for an overnight winter camp in our hot tent. Atlas and my youngest boy. There he is. Say hi, Atlas. We're just out going for a camp for the night. Woo! Just some bones. That's like a leg bone of some sort. Strange. A sheep? No, we don't have any sheep around here. Came to our first big brook crossing. It's the same brook, just farther down where our pool's here. Lots of deer tracks out here. We've reached the river tributary. I didn't film so much there in the last little bit because I'm scrambling to get through the trail before dark. It's pretty much frozen over. We'll get warm, okay? We'll wait till we get the tent up.
Only one?
Yep, only one. You ready to get warm? Huh?
Yeah.
You do. Yeah. Is that stuff like?
This one?
Huh? No.
Why? Dad, did I sit?
Yeah.
Hot.
It's gonna be hot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Get it all set up.
Yeah.
Just gotta go get some firewood. Get some more, but it's getting dark, so get the fire going and the lights. You say, Atlas, get some fire going? Yeah. Yep. And it all started. Yeah.
Smoke in here.
Yeah, we're gonna have some smoke in here because we're starting it.
Yeah, it tells it, Dad.
Got a whole bunch of firewood chopped. Getting warm. Atlas is warming up. Get inside and some food going. Got a little bit of firewood left to chop, but I'll do that after we get Atlas fed. So we come across the river. Nice. How you doing?
Good.
Are you warm?
Yeah.
That's good. Fire. Just chooching. Gotta get our bed set up over here.
Yeah.
Get Atlas so nice and warm, and I'll start cooking us some supper.
Yeah.
Sound good? Do you cook some supper?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Get the spaghetti sauce going.
Yeah.
Right, bud?
Yeah. Why is snowy, Dad? Why is snow on it?
Why snow on it?
Yeah.
It's not. It's frozen. We made it at home. We froze it.
Oh. Who was that one?
This is garbage, honey.
Yeah. Like that one?
Yeah, don't touch. It's hot.
Yeah.
That's what spaghetti is.
I
I
know.
break them in half so they fit in a little pot. It's warm in here now.
Yeah.
You can get on the floor if you want.
And then I put this on.
You want to take that off?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Not my sweater.
That your sweater?
I put my shoes off, actually.
We're just hanging out. Supper is cooking. Aren't we, buddy? Atlas is running the adventure. I think its average rating is like -7 to -10, and then its down rating it goes all the way down to -20, -15. I think mine is the same rating. It's just Mountain Warehouse instead of the Adventure Woods brand. Atlas has also got a really good pillow, and yep, Atlas is right. We lost our table on the journey here. Have to eat like this. It's okay. We get pretty good setup in here. It is warm. I'm warm. Are you warm?
Yeah.
You are good. You're hot, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just checking the tent while I'm cooking. Just being a bit of a worried dad, it's all. It's alright. This is probably the hottest I've ever had the hot tent going in here. You can see all our stuff steaming here, so just drying all our stuff off from them. So came here. It's getting windy right there because supposed to get up to like 70 km/h gales. Yeah. That's hot. Yeah, that's hot. Everything's cooking.
Oh, let's get eat. Take that.
Our spaghetti all made. Fresh homemade meal. Fresh off the stove. Ready to eat something?
Yeah. Take it up. What's nice? And flying.
Ready?
Hot.
It's not. It's warm. Told you. Pretty good. Just hop out of the tent for the first time. It's chilly out here. Had to punch a hole through the ice. Not right here. Somewhere where I could wash the dishes where it was safe. Came to surprise that the ice is probably, oh geez, on this river, 4 inches. It just seems like it's not because of the overflow from the rain that we've recently had is freezing. So there's like an inch of water or underneath of this ice. Had to fix a couple tent bags. So I made them out of stick. You can see on Instagram and TikTok videos, I guess. Fire coming out. The result to chopping my wood this way is my axe or my saw came off and I lost the bolt for it down here. We can figure a way to fix it, but for now, it'll be fine. Just get back in the tent. All set up. Pretty much all tidied up here. I'm just getting the floor down where we need to be down. I'll tuck it over on this side some more. Tuck us in. And then we're gonna get cozy and watch some show. Some spiced apple tea before we go to bed. You know, nice and cozy and warm. This is totally warm. Make sure he's nice and tucked in. I got him wrapped up in the end of the sleeping blanket to keep him extra warm. Add a couple logs, and then I'll stoke it a little bit more before I go to sleep. Set my alarm for a couple hours. Check it again, make sure we stay warm. Morning. It's 6:45 in the morning. It's time to get up. Start making breakfast before Alice wakes up. Still pretty windy out. Last night I had to get up and adjust this side because this pole is a bit of lean that way and the wind was taking it and the side was leaning in. Better. Nothing but a 3 in the morning fix up. Pancakes going. We're having some eggs. I'll wake Atlas up in a minute. He's still sleeping. Holy. It's crazy. He's cozy in here. Morning, buddy. Morning.
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want to sleep some more? Good. I can let you go back to sleep. No problem. Having some breakfast. Having some pancakes, bud?
Yeah, wait 2 minutes.
Yeah. Here goes, buddy. Good news is that was pretty warm out there. Just finished dishes, just tidying up. Gonna get ready to start packing up camp at home. It rained a lot last night. Got a lot of rain. It's quite interesting to tend through it. It was frozen yesterday. Pretty thick right here, but I think that's even ice. It's just really thin. You get up there?
Yeah.
Fun?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Hey. Started heading home, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
You missed your mummy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's go see your mummy. Let's go. Let's start heading home. What do you think? We got a lot of rain, didn't we?
Yeah.
Is it crazy out?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have fun last night?
Mm-hmm.
You sleep good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah. The rain has made the trail somewhat a soup mess, and I'm pulling Atlas on half of dirt and half of snow. There's the sun. Decided to peek out now. Sometimes have to play the game of Atlas pulls me down the hill. till we get into this dirt patch here because of the rain. Going here again. Much easier for me. Seeing a pretty significant amount of deer prints here. The whole way, actually. Gonna get back across this brook crossing that we crossed yesterday. It's quite thawed out now. There's no way we cross it without getting wet. I think I got the boots. There's a big piece of floating ice. That's cool, yeah, Atlas? Yeah. We're all up to the top. Cross the river, come up this hill. Load it up again. Head off. It was actually a successful overnight for us. Overall, this is the first night out in our hot tent. I haven't done that yet with my fellow or myself. Could have been a better time, but Atlas is down with a sickness or something while we're going. It's always good. Making good ground, we're almost back. We're home. We made it. Wake up. That's it. We made it. Made it back. Safe and sound. Successful overnighter in the hot tent. Oh, if you guys like that, follow along for more.